Welcome back, neighbors. Today I got an amazing tofu recipe for you. We've done mapo tofu, we've done the Korean style braised tofu. This third one, this is another papdoduk. We use that adjective when there's a banchan that makes you just devour rice. Like, the best thing about this dish is that you can make a lot. We'll put it in some Tupperware, put it in the refrigerator, and the next time you're hungry or your partner's hungry, just take it out of the refrigerator. It even tastes good cold, or you can pop it in the microwave. Either way, a few scoops onto some rice and you got yourself a quick, simple, and healthy meal. So we got this recipe from a Korean YouTube chef named Kang chef. It was absolutely delicious and I think it should be shared in English. Let's use about half. And then we'll finally dice this into small pieces. Go over it a few times so that it comes out very small. We'll put this straight into our frying pan. We're gonna take 1 forearm piece of spring onion. We can cut them into 4. Likewise, let's get them into the frying pan as well. Cheongyeonggochu, we always use this in Korean recipes. You'll find this at the Korean Mart, and we're gonna use 7 of these. Now don't worry, we're gonna stir fry it in oil and a lot of the heat is gonna down, actually a majority of it. And if you can't find Cheongyang chili peppers, I would use around 3 jalapeno peppers. Cut off the top, cut them once, and you get to join the party as well. Nice. We're gonna add 10 cloves of garlic. Take off the stems, give each one a quick smash, give this a rough mince, go over it, turn it fine, and just look at this mix. Anything you add to this is gonna come out flavorful. So we're gonna add some firm tofu. The water, it always pee-pees. Sorry guys. And I want you to use around 300 grams. This is important to get the flavor right. Turn it back into small little curds. Just put a little bit of pressure on your knife, and then just make it erode away. From here, we'll just gather it back up. And on second thought, I'm going to swap out to a larger frying pan. We need more surface area. So the first key step, we're going to make a chili oil out of this. And this is going to be our base layer of aromatics. We're going to start off with around 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. 1/3 cup in. That's good. My friends, let's put this on a medium heat. Mix that around. And once you start to see the onions turn translucent, I'm going to add some gochugaru. I want 3 tablespoons. Spoons in. 1 and 3. This is going to turn into a chili oil. Very nice. Alright, now if you look in the frying pan, that's all red chili oil. You see all of that? That's what we're going to put the tofu into. There's a lot of moisture in the tofu, so prevent anything from burning. Let's get the tofus in. Oh wow, mix that in, guys. Once it's added in, I want you to stir fry it around for around 2 minutes. And after 2 minutes, let's add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Just 1, 2. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of Korean anchovy sauce. In Korea, we usually use anchovy sauce for fish sauce. But if you can't find anchovy sauce, just use regular fish sauce. Give that a quick stir. The anchovy sauce is going to add saltiness while also adding a lot of umami flavor. But a lot of that smell is going to evaporate while you cook, so no worries. Then 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. That's another half. The color looks amazing. Guys, after we added that soy sauce, look at this color. Looks amazing. And finally, we're going to finish off with 1.5 tablespoons of toasted sesame oil. And then we're going to just cook this for a final 2 minutes. Oh, I almost forgot a little bit of sesame seeds, of course. Alright, and take a look at that. We got the tofu with a little bit of chili peppers. I'm going to give it a little taste. It's spicy, but it's not upfront spicy. It's a middle spicy. This is so interesting. Remember, we add the fish sauce. When you cook it, you're going to smell the fish sauce in the air, but when you taste it, it's not there at all. I'm going to go straight into Tupperware because I know I'm going to want to eat a lot of this tomorrow morning as well. Wow, guys, take a look at this. Whoever said tofu is not flavorful, I want you to take a bite of this. So all you need is this, a spoon, and of course, a bowl of fresh rice. Alright, guys. And that, my friends, is a simple but delicious rice meal. Let's take a bite. Oh my gosh. And it's not heavy. Wow, I could go through this thing all day. Guys, we have the leftovers here. Katie, are you hungry? Yeah? Do you want to try some of this tofu?
Wow! Oh my god. So good. Can you make a fried egg for me, actually?
A fried egg with that? Oh.
It would be perfect.
Gotta get some tofu.
Break the yolk.
And then
Oh my gosh, it's really good.
This one right here, I gotta put it to the upper right hand corner. Slide it to the back. I have to hide it behind the natto because if she finds it, there's no breakfast for me.
뭐라고?